Hey, so my name is Eugene. I represent MPEG Communications Corp. We've got over 50 employees. The reason why we came here was because we were having some issues with managing in our company. We couldn't really decide who should do different types of functions, and they were all mixed up, and we just realized one day that we have to do something about it. So that's why we came here, and we have designed the org board of our company. Now we're gonna implement it. After these 4 days, we started to understand how the processes should run in our company and who should do a specific set of functions. It's a lot of things. I can't just tell them all in the video, but you should definitely come and try it for your company.